Hi guys, today we're going to discuss 2022 Science Progression Test Stage 5 Paper 1 is in the form of practice quiz, question and answer with full explanation. This is taken from Cambridge Primary Past Paper with the past paper code S/S5/01. Let's move on to the first question. Each of the question will be you will be given the time interval to find your own answer. Then after that you can match with the given answer in each number. At the end of this video, if you follow this video to the very end, you will see the full screen of question, and then you may take a screenshot with that question and save it in your file or print it out and do along this quiz. It will be one way of most efficient and practical way to prepare for science progression tests for your children or your students. Now, this is question 1. The diagram shows one organ system of a zebra. What is the function of this organ system? So you will be given 10 seconds from now to get your answer.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Have you got your answer? Let's reveal the answer. So it's to break down food particles into nutrients that can be absorbed by the body. Next question. 1b, still question 1b, which letter shows the esophagus? Circle the correct answer. Is it A, B, C, D or E?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So you got your answer, guys. Let's see the answer. It's B. So B is an esophagus. Shall we move on? Question 2. So this is still 1C. So 1A, B is done. 1C. Zebra have adaptation to stop them being eaten by lions. Take 2 of this adaptation. Is it eyes at the side of head to see behind, large flat teeth to eat grass, tail to move flies away, stripes to hide in the grass, or thick fur to keep warm?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So let's check the answer. The correct answer is eyes at the side of head to see behind. So they have wide vision to spot the predators, lion, and stripes to hide in the grass as camouflage. Next. Now we are in question 2. There are many different types of forces. Question A. Oliver uses a rope to climb down the sides of a mountain. The picture shows some of the forces acting on Oliver as he climbs down. Draw a line from each letter to the correct description of force. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So let's check the answer. Letter A is this one. Is applied force of rope holding Oliver, of course. Next, letter B is friction between cliff and foot. This one. So Oliver is climbing down. So the friction is against his movement. Letter C is this one. Is a normal force between cliff and foot. Normal force. And normal force is always perpendicular to the surface. So this is the surface of the cliff, and this is the normal force. Letter D is gravity. Right, if you have any question, please feel free to write in the comment section in Susan YouTube channel. We will explain to you further with another video. Next. Question B. The picture shows a boat floating on water. The boat is not moving. Describe the forces acting on boat.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's check the answer, guys. Weight is the downward force of gravity on the boat, and upthrust is the upward force of water on boat. Here's the diagram to make it clear. Upthrust and weight. Next. Now we are in question 3a. Which of these sentences about dissolving are true and which are false? Tick the correct box next to each sentence. All solids dissolve in water. Is it true or false? Dissolving is a reversible process. True or false? Liquids that dissolve substances are called solvents. Is it true or false? Solids dissolved in liquids are called solute.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Question 3. Which of these sentences about dissolving are true and which are false? Tick the correct box next to each sentence. All solids dissolve in water. Dissolving is a reversible process. Liquids that dissolve substances are called solvents. Solids dissolved in liquids are called solute.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's check the answer. All solids dissolve in water. It is false. Dissolving is a reversible process. It's true, as we can obtain the solid back by evaporation, and liquids that dissolve substances are called solvents. It's true. Solids dissolved in liquids are called solute. Is true. So this is an example of not all solids dissolve in water. Sand is not dissolved in water, while salt is dissolved in water. Question B. Water is liquid at room temperature. Describe what happens to water when it cools to a temperature below 0 degrees Celsius.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Let's see the answer. It freezes into ice since 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of water. It changes state from a liquid to a solid. Next. This is the pictures of solid ice and liquid water. So at a temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, the liquid water will turn into ice. Question 4. Mia uses the internet to research different ideas about the Earth and space. This is the pictures, layers of air and orange peel. Complete these sentences. The orange peel represents the layer of air surrounding the Earth. The layer is called the blank. The layer of air is a mixture of different gases. The three main gases are nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and blank. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So the layer is called the atmosphere. The layer of air is called atmosphere. The three main gases are nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and oxygen that we need for respiration. Shall we move on? Question B. Mia finds information about gases on Venus and Mars. Gas X, Y, Z, amount of each gas in percentage. Venus, Mars. 3.5096 for Venus, 2.70.13, and 95 for Mars. Complete these sentences. The percentage of gas Z on Mars is blank percent. The difference in amount of gas X between Venus and Mars is blank percent.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So let's check the answer. The percentage of gas on Mars is 95%. Z on Mars is 95%. Here we go, 95. And the difference in amount of gas between Venus and Mars is 0.8. How we got that answer? So this is 95 for the first answer. And the second answer is you got 0.8 from gas X between Venus and Mars. 3.5 minus 2.7 equals to 0.8. Next. Question 5. Mike finds this key in a book. Living things do not make seeds, have no true root, stems, or leaves, and have root, stems, and leaves. This will be ferns. And grow in water, grow on land. In water is algae, grow on land is moss. Make seeds, no flower, and flower, no flower is conifers, flowers is tulips. So use the key to answer this question. A. Complete the table to group the living things into those that do not make seeds and those that make seeds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So this is the answer. Do not make seeds. This group is algae, mosses, and ferns. Make seeds is conifers and tulips. Next. Question 5 still, but 5b. Which living things in the key has flowers?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
This is the answer. It's definitely tulips. Let's move on. Question 5c. Describe one difference between algae and mosses.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Have you got your answer? Here we go. Difference: algae grow in water while mosses grow on land. That's the difference. Next. Question 6. The picture shows a reindeer. Reindeer live in a very cold climate. Reindeer have many adaptations to help them survive. Complete these sentences about reindeer. So, reindeer live in a very cold climate. And reindeer have 2 layers of fur to keep them blank. They have large flat feet to stop them blank. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Have you got the answer? Reindeer have 2 layers of fur to keep them warm, of course, as they live in very cold climates. They have large flat feet to stop them sinking into the snow. Next question. Fur on the bottom of their feet help to stop them blank on the ice. The nose of reindeer is full of blood vessels that heat up the blank they breathe in.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So have you got your answer? Let's reveal the answer. If you have not, you may pause this video for a while. So fur on the bottom of their feet helps to stop them slipping on the ice. The nose of the reindeer is full of blood vessels that heat up the air they breathe in. Next question. Question 7. The diagram shows the particle theory, gas, liquid, and picture is blank. And this is to fill. What state is this? Melting and freezing. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So we must complete the diagram. You included a drawing inside the liquid particles. So if you have not finished, you may pause this video. If you have your paper printed out, you may do on a paper. And here is the answer. This is boiling process because from liquid to gas is boiling. From gas to liquid is condensing. And this is the solid state. Solid melt into liquid, and liquid freeze into solid. And this is the structures of solid, gas, and liquid is in between. They are not fixed as liquid, but they are not as far distant as gas particles. So they are nearer, and then but not fixed like solid. So this will be the one example of the correct pictures. Question 8. Lily investigates the pitch of sound. She fills 4 glass bottles with different amount of water. Lily then hits each bottle with a stick and compares the pitch. Lily then draws a diagram to show her results. Lowest pitch, highest pitch, water. Which bottle contained the most air? Circle the correct answer.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So let's reveal the answer. We got this one is A. A is the most air as it has little water. And for question B, what is the dependent variable in this investigation? Dependent variable will be the variable that we measure. So in this, the answer is pitch. So what is dependent variable? Dependent variable is the variable being tested or measured during a scientific experiment. So what is being measured? Lily fills 4 glasses with different amounts of water. That is what Lily changed. And after that, she hits each bottle and compares. So she is measuring is the pitch low or high. That's why pitch is a variable that being tested or measured during Lily's experiment, while independent variable is the variable that is varied or changed or manipulated by the researcher, by Lily. So Lily changed the amount of water, different amounts of water, to see how the pitch will be. So pitch is dependent, the things that being measured, and independent is the things that being changed by Lily, that is different amounts of water. Next, still question 8 and questions 8C and D. Write down a conclusion for this investigation. Lily wants to make the volume of water louder. Describe how she does this.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So let's reveal the answer. Write down the conclusion. So as the amount of air inside the bottles decreases, This one is decreases as more water is filled into the bottle. The pitch increases. This is one example of correct answer. If you have any other alternative answer, you may write down in the comment section. If you need to clarify, we'll surely reply to you. Question D. Lily wants to make the volume of the sound louder. Describe how she does this. She must hit the bottles harder, of course. Next. Class 5 have a quiz about the Earth. Write down the answer to this question. A. Which direction does the Earth move around the Sun? What is the shape of Earth orbit around the Sun? The Moon orbits the Earth. What name describes an object that orbits a planet?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So if you have not finished, you may pause this video for a while. Now let's check the answer. So Earth moves in the anti-clockwise direction around the Sun. Remember that. Shape of the Earth orbit is an ellipse, slightly oval. Ellipse is slightly oval, not full circle. Now the Moon is a satellite to Earth, so an object that orbits a planet is a satellite. Next, question 9. 10. Litter is a type of pollution that harms the environment. Sevi and Priya collect litter from 5 different places. They collect the litter in bags that are all the same size. Then they record the total mass of the litter they find in each place. Here are their results. Table, place A, B, C, D, E with the number of bags of litter and total mass of litter in kilogram is given. Question A. Where did Safi and Priya collect the highest mass of litter? Circle the correct answer.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's check the answer. So it's definitely C, as C has 8 kilogram highest mass. Still the same question. Now question B. Savi and Priya put gloves on before they collect the litter. Suggest how the gloves help keep them safe.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Here we go. Gloves reduce direct contact with harmful or dangerous materials. Now we have question C. Safia makes this conclusion about their results. The more bags of litter we collected, the greater the mass. Use the results to show one reason why her conclusion is not correct.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So we have got the answer. Let's check it out. Here we go. In D, the number of bags of litter collected is 3 and the total mass of litter is 4 kilograms, while in B, the number of bags collected is 4, which is more than D, but the total mass of litter is only 3 kilograms, which is less than D. Next. Question 11. Hassan uses symbols to make a sound. Question A. Hassan hits the symbols together and to make the sound Hassan hears. Describe how the symbols make the sound Hassan hears.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So here we go. When he strikes one symbol against the other, it causes the air around the symbols to vibrate and produce sound wave that travels to his ears. Next. Question 11b. The picture shows some different musical instrument. Circle all the musical instruments that use strings to make sound.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Here we go. Violin has string, guitar has string, and harp has string. So that's the last question, and today we have discussed Science Progression Test Stage 5 with the past paper code S/S5 0/01 is past paper 2022, paper 1, question with answer for Cambridge Primary. Check link in the description for all other useful video, as we provide links for past paper from stage 3 up to stage 12. Don't forget to ring the bell so you will be the first to be notified when we release our latest updates related to most recent past paper. And like and share to anybody who might need this paper, as it will encourage us to make more video like this. And subscription, like and share is free. So today we have discussed past paper, which is conducted by Study with Tuition Online. We cater for all these subject and programs or syllabus. Please email us if you have an unsolved past paper. We will see what we can do for you, and if you need a soft copy of this, you may also email us. Or if you're interested to join with our online tuition with affordable price. Thank you, and don't forget to write your input, idea, request, question in the comment section. Bye bye, and see you in the next video. And we hope today's discussion will be helpful to you, and God bless you. It is the full screen of Science past paper, stage 5, paper 1, with the year 2022. You may like, if you like to take a screenshot, you may do so. This is 35 minutes paper. Total mark is 40. And this is the first question. Here we go. Second, this is 1A. This is 1A. And this is 1A and B. 1A and B. Next, this is 1C. Then we move on to question 2. Question 2. This is question 2, and this is part of the question 2. This is the full page for question 2. Question 2. Next, question 3. This is still question 2. 2A. This is question 2B. 2B. 2B, and this is question 3A. And 3B. This is 3B. Next, we move to question 4A and 4B and 5. Question 5. 5A. This is still question 5A. BC. Next is page 8, question 6. Question 6. And this is the zoom out of question 6, the whole question 6. Next, this is question 7, page 9. Question 7, page 9. Okay, let's move on to question 8, page 10. Question 8. 8A. 8A. Now this is 8, still 8, and B, C, D. 8, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. And we move on to question 9, page 11. This is question 9, and question 10, page 12. And this is the question, this is the table, the result. And this is question A. Question B and C. And this is question 11, page 14. 11A, and this is 11B. That's the last question. So you will have take the screenshot. You may print out or save in your file. Practice this quiz with the printed out paper or practice online within along this video. So bye bye and see you in the next video. Bye.